Okay. Good. It's my music. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, everything seems like good now. Can we define a little bit more stuff, please? First. But why does it hit timeouts in the first place, and what makes it hit a timeout? So I think that we need to work a little bit more on the second brain part, right? Because all the knowledge will come from that to be able to make everything correctly and do everything good, right? Like marketing needs to be done correctly, engineering needs to be done correctly, like everything needs to be done correctly and have a good knowledge base. So I think we need to work base on something new where it's effectively gets the correct information to be smart. You can kind of compare it, right, to like a master's degree or a bachelor degree, right, or no degree. Like you want to be able to feed the correct information so that it can work with the correct info, right? Again, this is not like what was stupid for us this part. Own gaps, yes. Yes, that looks pretty good. Can you check if we are not missing anything here? This is also quite important because this is a skeleton, right? This should probably go on phase 2, I think. I'm not sure. Can you check where it should go? Yep, looks good. Fixing something broken, building something new, operating software. Edit the main specific jargon. Getting into the issue reported to me. This is not gonna like making the models better. But it's also the same as like knowledge. Not much to do. Okay, but if Claude is thinking, why are we timing it out? Like, I understand that you want to be fast, right? But if it's thinking long about something, that neither means it's stuck or it's actively working. Take as long as you need before answering for complex self-post goals. Yes, but those interactive way. Is there a way to change this approach where we can also make it interactive, but between the Claude sessions itself? Is there anything else you would like to look at? Yes, please update it. Currently, I'm actually right sync until this works because the fix is just switching from a wall clock to an inactive play around here. Can you also look up any potential plans that other projects may have released, like Sakana, Hermes, other fusion router models? Let's check what components they have and if we are missing something, right? Because the biggest thing about Hermes is the self-improvement, but the biggest thing about us is that we want it to be able to be a master at everything. It needs to know everything. Maybe we can get some stuff going with some books. Alright. Mental problem. The iteration is like killing model on YouTube tilts and it's way too long. Proper architecture affects bypass CLI using Anthropic API. What? In real time, token by token, we see the thing blocks with an inactive timer. What do do you mean with API? Will this still use the subscriptions, or is this purely API based? Hello. Will this use API key? Not the proper fix. Hope you need the stupid this. Maybe you can ask me. Update. Yeah, the app was too stupid, man. No, we need to keep it subscription based. Wait. TY instead of .p. It's the third option, interactive mode, TY. Run brain as in the interactive code session where TY instead of .p. Yes. But still. 103 again. It's my. Don't think stop to take this. Really need the third one again. What's missing is breadth plus depth of the starting knowledge base. Isn't defined what the brain should already know before it starts learning. Free knowledge files, we should fix 0. All the linked knowledge files, Night and self-improvement, multi-platform gateway, agent skills. Adaptive search, self-modifying AI scientists. Nothing good on that. Still updating. Update run. And there goes the Wi-Fi. Well, I guess I gotta wait. Why it kept pinging. Usage. Limit resets available. You have 2 resets available. Actually, usage will have. I got a lot of things. Let's have this. Help. Wait. Let's rename the archive. Right. This codex UI voice. Right, codex features enable voice input. Do you have voice TTS feature? Although extra high. Okay. Can you scan the flavor? Base first or staying close to the road. A map to structure and the local instructions and delegated. Specialist artifacts. Alright, get some water. Yeah, I'll have to add Codex because Opus is not the fucking answer. Give me your current issue, I will ask someone else. Well, not put everything. Okay. Yes. Then yeah, this is not. To be submitted after next tool talk. Test that the brain generalizes to structurally equivalent task. Curated verified seeds sequence for the main thing, yes. Maybe not multi-unit measures. Does it know enough about multiplication action market correctly without per domain coverage metrics? Yes, but clarify please. I understand anti-gaming. But we want to use the knowledge we learn to our advantage. If we learn a word, to use it. I'll wait till it's done and then go a bit more. Genuine learning. Brain memorizes specific answer to a specific test. For instance, episodes for brain looks like learning with essence. Seen. Yes. But some things that we learn may be very specific, so we don't want to kill those, right? Like a specialist field in learning something. Really be generalized or yeah, it's a good meme. For now, only available for Trampled Visa, Locard Visa users. Yeah, that's a good meme. price of a drink. You now also 2055.6. Right, this better for expose. Okay. Good app. Yes, okay, now it's good. Should just ask fucking Grok for this. This is so AI, so that's AI sloppy, please. Well spent, okay, that's good. Right, GPT is working for a long time on this issue, but I still have the console here, so I think it's a bridge pace bug. Hold on, verified. See how much prerequisite to bring search is verified. Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay. Can you think of some other gaps that we might have? What's the next step here? This plan needs to be robust. Wait. Ultra think. It's gonna flag me for both. Latest frontier models. Less than 25% of the 5-hour usage left. Well, that's a lot of credits monthly. It's okay, it's just free coin. else? These posts are all too old. Is there chat here? No. He did. Note here as well. Okay, no gifts. Three are that to the room for anything are contradiction resolution knowledge to have a baseline knowledge to deploy to everyone, and then we also need some specialist fields. Can you hear me? Let's also deploy a plan for the base knowledge that every user gets versus the specialist knowledge, right? The later knowledge that goes into what each user needs, right? Because you want to have a baseline knowledge that everyone gets so that the brain actively already knows how things work, right? How things go. Then, for example, if I have a really specific request, right, it should base around the user's request and then search for that knowledge to also gain smarter for the user's needs. This is really, I really don't know how to say this, but implement the timeout fix. Timeout is no longer a hard wall for those who run. Silence is allowed by cloud active thinking on mid-zero. They stop now and a separate cap. Without cloud emitting any heartbeat, the runner cannot truly prove active thinking. There should be long to wait. Can you help me think for a correct long-term fix on this issue? Ideally, I want it to be kind of the same as CLI, right? And I can see the thing. So I know that you aren't broke, right? Can we do something similar or no? Because we need to think for a long-term solution to this, right? Like if we hit the API error or anything else where cloud stops, we don't want to be waiting for hours. What is this AI slop one? Paying for... Wait. Can you make an AI slop image of card based on this tweet? Base knowledge. Seed knowledge already in one which make it explicit that the chips create pre-verified starter pack with every solutions. Needs a specialist knowledge after the base, the brain watches the yes. You may have to pivot away from long no, I think it's fine. Just chip the knowledge with the installation. I guess if it's too big, change it, but it's fine for now. What are you saying? Long-term fix. Mid-zero, thinking, consider cannot know. Close thinking, live but waiting on hang requests. Build an engine lifecycle state machine. Then stream lifecycle events to the cockpit. That gives the user CLI-like confidence without pretending. If Cloud or Cloud CLI exposes the real progress thinking, consume those and render them as engine activity. If their activity TTY won't emit a spinner. If neither exists, no outputs, timeout policy. Okay, that looks fine, but I want you to think deep about this issue and see if you can find any better fixes. Okay, anything else? think it's good for now, but kind of a lot. Okay. How do I copy this? Copy image. This one. Takes a subscription price, which I'm paying for. Small price. Both. How do you choose? Still the same. 3 tickets. Bid with developers or 10x developers with AI, ARR 100%. Less than 10% left. That's okay. I can reset, right? Or how does it work? I don't know. We'll figure it out. The execution plan is now out of sync. Skills unresolved. Approaching rate limit. Keep current. GPT codex, how to use rate reset. You have to open the app. Yes. Just say yes. Yes, let's update. Yes. Up and do away usage. Redeeming limit reset. User resets. Also resets weekly, whatever. So close. Continue. 55, 36, models. That's the mean. Okay, whatever, I'll post this. Price, normal pens, based grok, man. Based grok. And we spread some FUD. Thanks. Perfect. You are based. Right. Alright, let's get back to work. Is it still going? 45 mechanisms tested, 18 triggers, 50 mechanisms tested over 2 days, remaining untested angles. Well, seems like it's gonna come up with nothing again. Stupid model. Maybe I'll just wait for the brain to finish before asking it. Any other gaps or we good? Alright, I'll probably stop in a bit. I'm gonna go shopping. I mean groceries. I'll just wait for this to finish. And my cat wants to play. We're in good shape. Okay. Okay. Mike.
No, me. No, no, me.
She's a bit shy.
It's a good meep. No, meep.
I'm losing so much hair.
The way of life is free and beautiful, but we have lost the way. Greed has poisoned men's souls, has barricaded the world with hate,
Game-based song.
kept us into misery and bloodshed. We have developed speed, but we have shut ourselves in. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want.
Oh, this is
Our knowledge has made us cynical.
no
Our
crystal.
cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much, feel too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we need kindness and gentleness. Without these qualities, life will be mild, and all will be lost. The aeroplane and the radio have brought us closer together. The very nature of these inventions cries out for the goodness in men, cries out for universal brotherhood, for the unity of us all. Even now, my voice is reaching millions throughout the world. Millions of despairing men, women, and little children. Victims of a system that makes men torture and imprison innocent people. To those who can hear me, I say, do not despair.
Alright.
Do not
For
despair.
now, we are good. Thank you for watching. I will see you on Monday, probably when I stream. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Follow me on X. I'll post updates there. Yeah, you can see whatever. Alright, thanks, bye.